Pwede. And we're now live back here at the Mamba Court at Lukban, Quezon. The fourth game of the day is between Caris Wildcats versus Okudu Bulldogs of Guam. And the first basket and the first try of the basket, and it's still there by Okudu Bulldogs. Ariana, pass to number 20. Young. Fast break run for number 2. And first 2 points goes to the Bulldogs. Out of bounds. Bulldogs ball. And out of bounds. Caris Wildcats possession. Rebound again by Wildcats. 2 points for jersey number 2. And out of bounds. The ball goes to the Caris Wildcats. The score is all 2 with 7 minutes and 20 seconds of the first quarter. Estoy with a layup and misses that one. Rebound by Young. Young bringing by the ball and retrieves the ball and goes outside. Fernandez bringing under the ball. Pass to Estoy. Pass to Buluran. And there's a foul.
Foul number 6. Nagola, first foul. First big foul for Wildcats.
Estoy for 3. And that's short. And goes out of bounds. The ball goes to Caris Wildcats. And a steal by Estoy. To the layup, number 5. Rosario with an easy layup. And a steal again by Estoy. Estoy passes to Ordina. Rebound by Rosario and this foul.
Jersey number 2. Luke. First foul, Luke. Second team foul for Wildcats.
The second free throw is good for Rosario. Fiona Buluran to Estoy. Estoy will go to the line to shoot 2 free throws.
Number 9, Wong. The first 13 foul for Wildcats.
And we would like to thank our sponsors, Converge ICT Solutions Inc., JH Athletics Sports Apparel, Chachago Philippines, ang Ambo, ang hardware na Pinoy, CSS Gives Philippines, PYD Cares, and Sports All In. Second free throw is good for Estoy. Estoy to Buluran, and Buluran cannot handle the ball. To number 11, Tenyada.
Red Bull. Substitution.
It's an Okodu possession to number 14, Menjola. Passes to Estoy. Estoy to Rosario, or rather than Fernandez. And ball goes out. It's Caris Wildcats ball. Wong brings out the ball. 3 points for number 6, Gagola. It's out of bounds. Okodu Bulldogs ball. And a steal by Gagola to Tenyada. Tenyada backs it in. Plus a foul, and will go to the free throw line. Shoot the extra free throw.
First foul, first team foul for Okodu. That's free throw, first number 11.
And miss put back in there for Tenyada. Wildcats ball here.
Saray, man. Saray! Saray! How's he cutting his foot?
Okodu basketball. Menjola passes to Estoy. To Buluran, advance ball. And there's a turnover from the Bulldogs. Wong to Gagola. Passes to Tenyada. Tenyada on the baseline and turns it out for against the Wildcats. Menjola bringing down the ball. Menjola goes to coast layup, and Buluran for the rebound, or rather than that is jersey number 1, Reyes. Tiana Reyes goes to the free throw line to shoot 2 free throws. And the first free throw is missed by Reyes. By the way, the head coach of the Okudu High School Bulldogs is head coach Nat Finch and assistant coach John Hernandez. And for the Caris Wildcats, head coach Melky Villanueva. Estoy and tapped by Teñada. The possession will remain for the Bulldogs. Score is 9-4, 5-point lead for the Okudu
14
Bulldogs.
seconds on the shot clock.
And there's a jump ball.
Jump ball, single.
Possession arrow goes to Okudu Bulldogs.
11 seconds on the shot clock.
Arjona getting some space. And a pass break spoiled by the Bulldogs.
Timeout, Wildcats.
And there's a timeout for the Wildcats.
First quarter, 1 minute and 9 seconds.
Score is 9-4 in favor of the Caris basketball. Dulo. Caris Wildcats possession here to Teñada. Teñada steal by Estoy. Correction, that's Arjona for the 2 points.
2 point Arjona.
Teñada is fouled by
Foul,
Arjona.
jersey number 2. First foul Arjona. Second foul for Okudu.
Wong. Back to Teñada. Teñada for 3. And that's strong by Teñada. And there's a foul.
Foul, jersey number 6. Third foul number 6 penalty.
And the Caris Wildcats is in the limit. Reyes trips down to the free throw line. Shoot 2 free throws. First one is missed. And the second one is good for Reyes. Wong to Teñada. Teñada scores the layup. And there's a foul.
Foul, jersey number 14. Second foul Arjona. 13 foul for Okudu.
And Teñada will go to the free throw line. Score is 12-4, 8-point lead by the Okudu Bulldogs. And the first free throw, Teñada, is good. And a free throw violation by the Caris Wildcats.
16 versus 7 remaining.
And there is 16.8 remaining in the first quarter. And that's a score for Maria Mendola, scores 2 points. And Arjona. And
And the first up,
That's the end of the first quarter. Score is 14-5 in favor of the Okodo Bulldogs. And stay tuned for the second quarter.
White House closed session. Start of the second quarter.
And start of the second quarter between Caris Wildcats versus Okodo Bulldogs of Guam. Wong handled by two Okodo players. And
Foul versus number 10.
there is a foul. First team foul for Okodo Bulldogs.
Oh, wait. Hey, let's go.
14 seconds from the shot.
And there's a foul again.
Foul versus number 10. Substitution. Second foul Hernandez. Second team foul for Oakland. 14 seconds from the shot.
Wong passes out of bounds. Okodo Bulldogs ball. Arjona to Reyes. Reyes with the 2-point shot. It's good. The steal there by Makala Gilbert and counter steal by Wong. And Wong loses the ball. Arjona steals the ball. And Arjona scores the easy layup. And another steal by Arjona. Arjona slips away with the two again. A full court press here by the Okodo Bulldogs. And there's a
Foul
foul.
versus number 2. Second foul Maliola. Third foul for Oakland. Substitution.
Tenyada. Tenyada passes to Gagola. Gagola short. And Wong saves it. And Wong takes the ball possession for the Wildcats. 11 seconds to shoot on the shot clock. And Wong loses the ball. Turnover for Caris Wildcats.
Substitution.
Stop.
Idel passes to Reyes. And Idel, nice pass to Reyes. And Wong brings out the ball for the Wildcats. And a good pass to Tenyada. And Tenyada maps it out. Jana Reyes to Rosario. Passes to Arjona. A jump shot. Too strong. Rebound there by Idel. Idel rebounds and gets a foul.
Foul versus number 9. Second foul for Wong. First foul for Wildcats.
Idel will shoot 2 free throws. And the first one is off. And the second free throw is good for Idel. That's Shure Idel. And Wong crosses the upward. And top
14 seconds to the shot.
Bulldogs. 14 second shot clock on the Wildcats. And a steal, steal hit by Rosario. Rosario is blocked by Tanyada. Nice effort there for defense.
17.
Reyes. Reyes.
2 points Reyes.
Another 2 points. And Reyes again.
2 points Reyes.
In the shaded lane, 2 points. Gagola steals from Reyes, and Wong will not take that shot. And Rosario takes a pass and gets travel.
17.
Score is 27-5, a 22-point lead for the Ocodo Bulldogs. Tanyada and Buluran. Buluran quickly to the front court, passes to number 30, Makayla Gilbert, and Arjona. Gilbert on the follow-up, and no good. Makayla Gilbert again, passes to Arjona. To Buluran, drives, no. Not that time. A prospect pitch from Cañada. Turnover for Wildcats. Reyes for 3.
3.
Correction, that's number 5. Kate Rosario for 3 points.
Third ball, 11. Again, 3. Third ball, 11.
Verano too strong for that shot. And the ball goes to the Bulldogs. Estoy bringing down the ball. And number 12 rebounds the ball. Buluran to Arjona to Rosario.
10 seconds to the shot.
Rosario. Rebound by Buluran. No, again. Ross brings down the ball. Drives to the baseline and got trapped. Blowing the pass on. And there's a turnover.
Save ball.
Tap, save ball.
11 seconds to the shot.
11 seconds to shoot for the Wildcats rather than the Bulldogs. And steal by Gagola. And Gagola loses that ball. And loses again by the Okoto Bulldogs. Off there by Tenyada. And he's stepping on the line.
7 seconds for the shot. 7 seconds to shoot. Substitution.
Wildcats ball. And tapped away by
6
the
seconds for the shot.
Bulldogs. And there's a foul.
One missing over. 30. First one missing over 30. Second foul for Whitecaps.
And the
3 seconds violation.
3 seconds violation there for Okoto Bulldogs. Turnover. Wildcats ball. Loas to Wong. And out of bounds. The ball goes to the Okoto Bulldogs.
56 remaining.
Score is 35. 25-point lead for the Okoto Bulldogs with 50 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Reyes scores for 2.
2 points Reyes.
Traveling ball there for the number 30 of Caris Wildcats. Arjona. Too strong a pass to number 3 Rihanna Estoy. And Wong.
10 seconds remaining. Single. 8 seconds.
Hey, Johnny. Hey, not yet soccer. Hey, look, he's open still. Johnny, that's a shooter. Stay up on it, Johnny.
Rojas to inbound to Wong. Wong forces that.
5 seconds.
Rebound by number 1.
Take it out. Come here. Hey, get up.
And basket not count. And at the end of the second quarter, our score is 32-5. 27-point lead for the Okoto Bulldogs. And we'll be back with the third quarter. And we're back in the third quarter. Right back here at the Mamba Court at Lukban, Quezon. This is Coach Irvin bringing live games for the Philippine Youth Dreamers in our 10th Dreamers International Girls Basketball Challenge. And still there by Tanyada. Tanyada pitches out the ball. And the ball goes out. And a turnover for the Wildcats. Uy. And there's a missed shot. 2 points for the Wildcats. Reyes in the middle. And Arjona with the rebound. And Arjona with 2 points. Gagola back to Tenyada. And there's a foul.
And there's a foul on person number 10. Substitution. Third personal foul on person number 10.
Tenyada for 3 and gets it a go. Tenyada for 3 points. Arjona, the jump shot and gets it for 2. Arjona. It's Taurine Arjona, and Taurine Arjona steals one and hits the layup. And another steal by the Bulldogs, courtesy of Tiana Reyes. Passes to Taurine Arjona for another 2 points. Score is 30-10, 28-point lead by the Ocondo Bulldogs with 7 minutes and 20 seconds in the third quarter.
Same ball.
Arjona with the ball. Back to Rosario. Arjona to number 3, Rihanna Estoy. And Rihanna Estoy is fouled.
Foul on number 23. First personal foul.
We'll go to the line to shoot 2 free throws. Rihanna Estoy's first free throw is off. And the second free throw is good for Rihanna Estoy. Score is 39-10. 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining in the third quarter. And Taurine Arjona for the easy lay-in. And the steal by Diana Reyes. And there's a foul. Foul on Taurine Arjona.
Fourth personal foul. 30 foul for Oakland. Another substitution.
Wong passes to Tenyada. Tenyada for 3. And Reyes for the rebound. Passes to Mariah Gilbert. Makayla Gilbert. And number 9 jersey, Wong brings down the ball. Wong passes to Tenyada and steal by Estoy, and Estoy scores an easy layup. Tenyada, and there's a foul. Foul by number 30, Makayla Gilbert. The substitution here. Number 8, Lahato replaces number 23, Garcia. Wong for 3, it's blocked. And another shot by Wong, and it's off. Number 14, Menjola, bringing down the ball. Menjola coast to coast, and there is a traveling slap there with a traveling violation.
Hey, bola!
Score is 43-10, 33-point lead by the Okudu Bulldogs with 3 minutes and 50 seconds in the third quarter. Tenyada passes to Lahato, and turnover for the Wildcats. Diana Estoy passes to Makayla Gilbert, and Makayla Gilbert scores his first 2 points. Lahato to Tenyada. Tenyada scores a 2 points. Makayla Gilbert passes to Buluran, and Buluran again, a rebound, another rebound by Buluran, and Menjola tapped away by Wong.
10 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot.
Given by Lahato, and there's a foul.
And there's a foul. There's number 12.
Foul on number 12, Buluran.
Penalty.
That's Fiona Buluran.
There's no foul penalty.
Okudu Bulldogs is in the limit.
Substitution.
So number 8, Lahato, will go to the free throw line to shoot 2 free throws. First free throw is off for Lahato. And second free throw is short. Estoy. And strong pass to number 35, Precious Mabalot. And there's a foul.
Foul, number 35.
And foul foul on number 35, Precious Mabalot.
Still penalty.
Number 9, Wong, goes to the free throw line. And first free throw is off. And the second one is good for Wong. Score is 45-13 in favor of Ocono Bulldogs with 1 minute and 37 left in the third quarter. And a 3-second violation there for the Caris Wildcats. Ball goes to Ocono Bulldogs. Buluran to Estoy. And Mendola steals the ball. And there's a traveling call for the Ocono Bulldogs with 50.3 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Precious Mabalot turns over the ball. 34 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Steal there by Estoy. Rihanna Estoy. Forward pass to Precious Mabalot.
14 seconds.
And there's a turnover for Ocono Bulldogs with 14.9 seconds left in the third quarter.
10 seconds.
10 seconds left. Wong and shot.
5 seconds.
Lahato. No. And rebound by Menjola.
And third quarter.
And that's the end of the third quarter. Score 45-13
Score 45.
in favor of Ocono Bulldogs. And we'll return for the fourth quarter. And we're back here. The resumption of the fourth quarter between Ocono Bulldogs versus Caris Wildcats of Quezon. And turnover, steal by Diana Reyes, and counter steal by Lahato. Lahato passes to number 38 and passes to Wong. Wong, and there's a foul.
And there's a foul on jersey
Number 1,
personal foul on Reyes.
Diana Reyes.
First team foul for Oakland. 14 on the shot clock.
And Wong over the left. And number 10, Jordan Hernandez passes to Arjona. Nice pass there by
2 points.
Jordan Hernandez to Arjona.
Then to shoot. Shot clock 1 seconds.
Hey, Navas, let's go.
Tenyada for 3 and does not get in. Number 20,
Foul jersey number 22.
Shure Aidel is fouled.
First personal foul. First team foul for Wildcats.
Jordan Hernandez airballs that 3 points. Here's Tenyada bringing down the ball. Tenyada uses the screen and loses the ball. And there's a foul.
Foul jersey number 35. Substitution. Second personal foul on the foul. Second team foul for Oakland.
Arjona there with the rebound. Arjona coast to coast layup and nothing there. Tiana Reyes with the rebound. Shure Aidel misses that one.
Head to shoot.
Nice fake there by number 11, Tenyada, but that cannot go in. And Arjona, too much muscle on that shot. Another steal by number 35, Michaela Gilbert.
Warning on jersey number. Substitution.
Caris Wildcats on the possession. Tenyada passes to Wong. Wong short on that one. Tiana Reyes to Estoy. Jordan Hernandez to Precious Mabalot. And there's a foul.
Foul jersey number 22. Second personal foul. Second team foul for Wildcats. 14 on the shot clock.
And shot clock 14 seconds for the Ocono Bulldogs. Steal by Tenyada. Tenyada, spin move. Do not convert. Tenyada. Wong saves that one. Wong forces one. And there's a foul.
Jersey number substitution. Second personal foul Reyes.
And Wong will jump to the line to shoot 2 free throws. And first free throw is off for Wong. The second try is good for Wong. Jordan Hernandez to Tiana Reyes. Good pass by Jordan Hernandez to Tiana Reyes. And there's a timeout call by the Wildcats. Score is 49-14 in favor of Ocono Bulldogs. We'll be right back. Back live in the Mamba Court in Lukban, Quezon. In this fifth game of the game between Kairos Wildcats and Okudu Bulldogs of Guam. And a traveling call against Precious Mabalot. Tiana Reyes fumbles the ball. Dribbling violation for Tiana Reyes. Wong, the shot, couldn't get that one. Fast break pass to Precious Mabalot. Precious Mabalot to layup, and it's good for Precious Mabalot. With exactly 4 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter, and another steal by Jordan Hernandez. Passes to Precious Mabalot and go, gets us in. Precious Mabalot blocked by Gagola. Mabalot, another rebound to Makayla Gilbert. Makayla Gilbert to Jordan Hernandez. Off right. That 3-point shot. There's Wong now for the Wildcats. Wong slices up to the middle and gets fouled.
Shooting foul, number 30.
He will get 2 free throws.
Second personal foul, Gilbert. Warning for penalty, Okudu.
First free throw does not trickle in. And the second free throw is good for Wong. Makayla Gilbert bringing down the ball, and there's a foul.
This is number 9.
Foul on number 9, Wong.
Third personal foul, second team. Third team foul for Whitecaps.
Hernandez to Menjola. To Mabalot, jump shot. And rebound by Tiana Reyes. A good footback by number 1, Tiana Reyes. And nice pass there by Tanyada. Lahat could not take it.
Save ball.
Possession arrow goes to the Wildcats.
11 seconds on the shot clock.
With 11 seconds shot clock. Jordan Hernandez passes to Menjola. Menjola to Makayla Gilbert. To Buluran. Buluran size up the middle. And Siloville.
Pasa natin bolo. Wala tayong ball.
Tanyada to back ball. And Makayla Gilbert scores on a fast break. It is now a 45-point lead by the Okudu Bulldogs.
Submission. 1 minute and 29 seconds.
2 points there by number 1, Guerrano. Precious Mabalot scores the 2 points with 55 seconds remaining in the ball game. And Tenyada scores 2 points.
Thirty-five seconds.
And the ball goes to the Wildcats with 21.9 seconds remaining in the ball game. Score is 57-19. And there's Precious Mabalot bringing down the layup, and it's Precious Mabalot for 2 points. 7.9 seconds remaining.
5 seconds.
And that's a ball game. Final score 59-19, a 40-point lead by the Ocado Bulldogs. And watch out for our 6th game of the day between LBDL and GW Geckos. Stay tuned in, guys.